Hello friends, this is BP checking machine, Omran company, Intelisence. This unit is not working properly, and we check the cells. The cell is showing very less current. For that purpose, we change the new one cells and check it again, and the unit get ready. In this unit, nothing will happen. The cells are getting weak, and then the on off switch and start switch are complaint in some reasons. Okay, in your home this must be used machine, and we can check the heartbeat of the heart and how much time it is beating and pumping the pressure blood. Okay, all will we must see the reading in your home. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again. Please share this video to your friends. Thank you. And we can compare the manual method and electronic method. We check the wrist of our hand, and we can compare the electronic method reading and manual method reading also. We can take a watch and take the reading, and then electronic reading also. Thank you.